Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's a girl Precious Eleke. If you are new here, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome. In today's video, we're going to be talking about 5 other places you can put your money outside your bank. If you are someone that like putting money inside bank, just like opening your bank app and just seeing your money and just making you smile, then I have 5 other places you can put your money in that will also make you smile. But this one will definitely increase your money. Your money will not experience inflation. Your money will beat inflation. So 5 other places you can put your money that will yield income for you, that will yield interest for you. I'm going to share this in this video. So without further ado, let's get this video going. The first place I'm going to mention that you can put your money in, that outside the bank that will get you interest, is you're into stocks. If you put money into stocks, you are definitely going to get interest. Yes. And the piece of compound interest, if you allow the piece of compound interest to work, you will enjoy it over time. So I would say spend this period, research about the stocks you can put your money in. The kind of stocks, is it Tesla, is it Apple, is it Amazon? Just do your research about the kind of stocks everything you need. And that place you can put your money in aside from banks, like from your normal saving, your normal bank accounts, your normal saving accounts, is that you can put your money into real estate. If you understand the principles that works for real estate, you understand the kind of properties to buy, the kind of companies you can invest your money in, or you can even buy properties. I know land appreciates, does not depreciate, and live for a period of like say 10-20 years, you definitely come to enjoy the benefits of it if you make the wise decision. That's why you have to find a profitable company, find the right company that is registered, that is legalized, that are buying properties in the right place, that have documents and receipts to back it up. Not just any kind of company. Investing in real estate, putting money there, it might be that you are tying your money down, but that money you are tying down will end up increasing over time and will yield more than 100% profits for you. Definitely, if you do it for a long period of time. It's real. Another place where you can put money in that will yield income for you is when you put your money into cryptocurrency. I love crypto, and I'm sure that I will always advocate for it anytime, any day. Put your money into cryptocurrency, you end up increasing your money if you understand the principle behind it. Find the principle behind some coins. Okay, is it all these popular coins like Bitcoin? Is it Ethereum? Is it Binance Coin? Just find the best crypto app that works for you and put your money in it, and you definitely yield returns. But there are days when the markets be down, but please make your decisions wisely. And everything I've said, please, is not a financial advice. Do well to make your own research. Do well to put in your own research and do everything you need to do at your own risk. Or go online, search for your relevant financial advisors, ask them for advice on where you can put your money in. I'm sure they will definitely mention the things I've mentioned. But ask them, okay, I want money into real estate. Can you recommend some from real estate companies for me? Or do your research yourself. So make sure you do the necessary research. And the 4th place where you can put your money in that will yield income outside the bank is you put your money into high interest saving fintech app. Yes. And on fintech app I use that give me interest as high as 10%, and my bank will never give me, never ever. So I would say do your research on the high interest fintech saving apps that you can put your money in that will yield interest for you. What's the essence? If I want to save my money, I want my money in a saving account. Let me put it in an account where I will see at least 10% increase per annum. It's better. At least I'm getting a particular percentage. Unlike my bank that will even deduct money for maintenance, for this charges, another charge. But this high interest saving apps will not do all that. Will not deduct money for us, put their money on the app. Instead, they can use the money to invest. You can even invest on some of these platforms. Platforms like Piggyvest, you can invest on it. Platforms like Carrywise, you can also invest on it. There are some of their products they put out that you can use to invest. So I'll say do your research. And the last but not the least is that you can put your money into ETFs. I love ETFs, it's like a mixture of, it's called exchange traded funds. It's like a mixture of different stocks together that comes together into a box. For example, you may want to make a smoothie and you put pineapple, you put orange, you put carrot. When you mix together, that's a combination of 3 different stocks together. So that's the way ETFs works. It's like a combination of different stocks together to use, to now come and they become one, so that even if one is not doing well, at least 10 will do well. For example, VGT is there. There's VGT, there's ARC, there's VOO. There are lots. If you want to know the rest, you have to pay me for it. So there are a lot of places where you can put your money in. I mean, ETF that can put your money. There's even a particular ETF that is for gold. There are some for tech. There are some for all this oil and gas. There's particular ETF that deals with all this nuclear, all these things like going into the nuclear space and the likes. Just do your research. And if you want to know more, you can always send me a mail. I can I can direct you how to go about it. But my services comes with a fee, and I charge wisely anyway. My charge is wise. I charge wisely. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Do well to like it, to share it, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.